Today I'm gonna make jalapeno, bacon, cheese, bourbon, prime rib rub, stuffed burgers. Let's get started. As you can see, I've got all my ingredients pre-prepped. Half pieces on the bacon, ovals on the jalapenos, a little bit of rub, a little bit of bourbon, and crumbled cheddar. I got my tops and my bottoms for the burgers. We're making 4 burgers here. We're gonna throw them on the smoker, my new grill I got for my birthday a couple months ago. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on just a little bit of bourbon on each side and just let it absorb into the meat. While I do all the other things I'm gonna do. Next, I'm gonna go light with the rub right on top of the bourbon. Not a ton, I'll put a little on top too. Let's go light on the rub. Throw down some cheese. You can always put more cheese on the top later. Just put a little bit inside here. Okay, so now as you see, I've got all 4 of them prepped. So now what we're gonna do is put a little bit more bourbon in them on the surface there. And I'm not gonna worry about the bottom. The bottom will just grill. But what I'm gonna do is put just a little bit more rub on the top. Pat it in just a little bit. Whoops, don't want too much. And voila, there's your burgers ready to go on the grill. Alright. I'm gonna load them on the grill. I've got this set for about 300 degrees. Don't want to cook it too fast. Want to let them soak up the smoke flavor a little. So I'm gonna load them on the grill. Oh, nice. And the nice thing is when you smoke them, you don't have to flip them, which for these stuffed variety will make it a lot easier not to have them fall apart on me. Just put them right there in the middle. Okay. Close up the grill and let it go to work. I'm gonna check back on it in about a half an hour, just see how it's doing. If you see my old videos, you notice I got a new grill. It's a Pit Boss pellet smoker, and it's a 27-hour smoke capacity. So I love this thing. It makes really good food, and we'll see how this goes. Alright, I'm back at the grill about a half an hour later, and I actually put the probe in, and as you can see it reads about 152. Came up from 91 degrees. So since it's on indirect heat, should be good for a little while longer. And then we'll check it at the hour mark and see where we're at. Okay, we're basically at an hour and a half, and as you can see the probe reads 180. So we're just about ripe right now. Gonna take it off the grill. Alright, and there you have it. There's some stuffed burgers there with jalapenos, prime rib rub, cheese, and bourbon with bacon.